Hi everyone, this video will show you some of the features in the gradebook and how to find my feedback. So when you're on the home screen, you can click on the grades tab to get your grades. Usually if there's a new grade, there will be a dot right next to the word, but if not, you might check anyway. So if you go to the grades section, you'll see a list of the assignments, and these are currently arranged by due date. Your score will appear right here. You'll see how many points were possible, and then the thing to be aware of are these little icons on the side here. This thing that looks like a clipboard, that's a rubric icon. So if you click on that, your rubric will pop up and you'll be able to see where you scored in each of the categories for each of the assignments. You can see the arrows on those. The other icon that's important is this little dialog box. So if you click on that, you'll see my feedback comments, and you can read my comments there. The other way that you can do this is to click on the assignment itself. So let's go to this one, and it will bring up the page. You'll see if it's something you submitted, your submission will appear in this box. And you'll see my comment is right here. Up at the top in blue, right under your grade, it will say show rubric, so you can click on that and your rubric will pop up. Sometimes when you do peer assignments, you will have rubrics filled out by some of your classmates. So to switch rubrics, you'll just use this pull down menu if that's applicable. And if you want to make a comment, if you want me to answer a question, or if you have something else you want to add, you can make a comment right there and I will get your feedback. All right, that's it.